We've got a stack of sources you sent over, things like packaging info and article. Our goal, to pull out the key insights, understand why these drinks are taking off, and look closely at one example mentioned, Ananda Lassi. See what makes it tick as a convenient protein option based on this material.
Yeah, it's interesting. These sources give us the big picture trend, but also the nitty-gritty details of one specific product. It kind of lets us see the whole thing through a specific lens.
Exactly. So let's start there with the trend. Protein dairy drinks are, well, they're everywhere now, aimed at active people.
Yeah.
Why is that, based on what we've got here?
Well, the sources highlight a few things. Convenience seems huge, grab and go, right?
Right.
Then there's the protein quality itself. Dairy protein is mentioned as highly bioavailable.
Meaning your body can actually absorb and use it well.
Precisely. And it's a complete protein, too, so it's got all those essential amino acids.
Gotcha. The full set of building blocks. And the sources also mentioned hydration benefits and flavors.
Yeah, hydration, and definitely the variety of flavors available now makes them maybe more appealing than some older protein sources used to be.
That variety probably helps people stick with it, fits that whole functional food trend.
Exactly. Food's offering more than just basic nutrition.
Okay, so here's where our sources really narrow the focus. They zoom right in on Ananda Lassi, presented as like a traditional Indian yogurt drink, but evolved. The specific one detailed is the heat-treated rose-flavored version.
And looking at the packaging details provided, it's labeled a sweetened and flavored nutritious drink. That wording itself tells you something.
It does, and right on the front. 3G protein minimum per pack. But then, and this is key from checking the label details, the nutrition table says 2G protein per 100 milliliters. So that makes you ask, right, is it 3 grams per 100 milliliters or 3 grams total?
Right. And this is why reading the whole label is so important. The sources tell us the pack size is 160 milliliter. So if you do the math, 160 milliliters times 2 grams per 100 milliliter, that's 3.2 grams.
Ah, okay.
So that 3G minimum claim on the front likely means for the whole pack. It's a perfect example of needing to look past the big print.
Definitely. Always got to check those details. What else did the sources highlight from that nutrition panel per 100 milliliter?
Okay, so per 100 milliliter, the sources flag about 87 calories, 2 grams of total fat, and this is significant, 11 grams of added sugars.
11 grams, wow.
And the source material actually gives some context there. It says that 11 grams is 22% of the recommended daily amount for a sedentary man.
22% from one small drink. That really jumps out if you're thinking nutritious. What about storage?
The sources are clear on that. Because it's heat treated, it says no refrigeration needed till opened. Big convenience point.
Makes sense.
But once it is open, refrigerate and drink it immediately. And shake well first. Pretty standard stuff.
And the ingredients, what's actually in it?
According